Wow. I'm gonna show you how I go from this to this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are getting into my self-care routine. I don't do the same thing every single time, but this is what has been working for me. So I thought that I would share with you guys. Let's get started. What's up, you guys? The first thing we're gonna do is take a spray bottle and damp our hair. Then we are going to part the hair into 4 sections. First, we are going to go in with coconut oil and make sure it is 100% coconut oil. Check the ingredients. Take a generous amount and apply it to the hair, working your way from the bottom to the top. Coconut oil works as a natural detangler, so as you can see, I'm able to just use my fingers. Next, we are going in with 100% jojoba oil. Again, check the ingredients. And again, work your way from the bottom to the top. Next, we are going to use Jamaican black castor oil. I like to apply this to my scalp and massage the roots of my hair. This promotes hair growth and strengthens the hair. Next product I like to use is the Main Choice. This is an anti-breakage and repair oil. It's very light in weight, which is what I really like about it. So I like to just apply it all over the hair and especially in the back of my hair. Now you're going to take a wide tooth comb and detangle the hair. Now you're going to pull your hair up in a high ballerina bun and put on a shower cap to lock in that moisture. Now we are done with that, we are going to make our body scrub. You need coffee grounds, some coconut oil, equal parts of both, some brown sugar, and Himalayan salt. I only use a little bit of Himalayan salt, and that's for texture. Mix, 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 mix until you get the texture you want. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water and it will loosen. Okay, here's the final product. Now that we're going to head into the bath, I love to use Dr. Teal's Epsom salt and foaming bath. Of course, it has coconut oil to protect the skin. The Epsom salt is really good for after workouts when my body is feeling really sore. This is Eucalyptus Essential Oil. I love the smell of eucalyptus, and the hot water will just carry the aroma throughout the time I'm in the bath. I'm all ready, got my tea candles lit. This is a rolled up towel for neck comfort. This is a frozen eye mask, which will help with dark circles. I just love to relax here for about 45 minutes, sometimes even an hour, and listen to balancing chakra music to get that full relaxation. Make sure you stay hydrated, because if you're like me, your bath is really hot. Okay, now we're in the shower and we're gonna remove our oil treatment. This is how she looks after the treatment, before the wash. This is clarifying shampoo by Ion, and it is for color treated hair. I love the Ion brand. I've been using this for about a year now. This is another shampoo for color treated hair. I just like to massage my scalp with it. Next, we're going to use the Intense Moisture Conditioner. It smells amazing. I just want to eat it. And this is After Color Sealer. I like to mix this with my conditioner. Again, this is for after color treated hair, so it will just lock in that color. This is Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. This is the deep condition that I like to use. I split my hair into 2 parts and use one pack for one side and another pack for the other side. It generously coats the hair and it leaves my hair feeling so soft. Use a wide tooth comb when combing out your hair. It takes away less strands. Put it back up in a top ballerina bun and cover the hair with that same shower cap. While I'm waiting for that deep condition to settle in, I'm gonna shave and use my coffee scrub. I went right in, and I definitely should have used a different bathing suit, not a white one. It's stained my bathing suit. I'm gonna wash it all off with Dove soap. Dove is top 2, not 2, period. It's the best. You obviously can't see this part. Nice try. Straight out the shower, immediately you put lotion on. I love baby lotion. Super soft, and bottom line, it just smells good. This is an old t-shirt. I don't really like to use towels. That just takes away all of the product off of your hair that you just used. I don't really recommend it. You can do it if you don't see a change in your hair, but I definitely see a change in my hair. So here is what my hair looks like after the shower. Honestly, I think it looks kind of healthy. So now I'm going to style the hair. First I go in with an oil just so that it could stay hydrated. It's an anti-breakage serum. It's from OGX. I just use a little bit, kind of get it all over my hands, and then just run it through my hair. It's really important if you have colored hair to keep it moisturized and hydrated. Super light, which is what I recommend in most oils. You don't really want to get a heavy oil because it'll just weigh the hair down and it'll take away the volume. Okay, don't judge me. I kept this in my car and it really melted. That's how hot it is where I live. Their new avocado hydrating line, and it's a repair leave-in. So it softens and conditions dry, brittle hair. As you can see, it's already giving my hair a little bit of hydration. I really love the EcoStyle gel that is olive oil based, and it has a maximum hold. It's alcohol free and it's for all hair types. And I just put it right here on my edges. Then I take my comb, design the edges. Minimal, you don't need a lot. And all the products that I use, I will link them below. Pretty much after that, I just let my hair air dry. I don't really do anything else. Now, if I'm getting ready to go to bed, do exactly what I just did. Take a silk hair tie, bring it up. I will sleep with my bonnet on. I recommend a silk bonnet. This one is humongous because it covers my whole head and I don't have to worry about this falling off at night. So when you're going to sleep, put a bonnet on and your hair will have the same look. All right, the next step to my self-care routine is face. We're gonna do a facial with a face mask, so let's get right into it. First step is washing your face. So when I went to the store, I was looking for the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, and I was looking at the ingredients. I saw this right next to it and I looked at these ingredients and it was the exact same ingredients, except this one was a little bit cheaper. So of course, I'm gonna go with this one. First thing you're gonna wanna do is get your face a little bit wet. Use some water. I don't know if you've heard, but there's no such thing as hot water or hot towel or those type of devices will open up your pores. There's no such thing as essentially opening your pores. I like to wash my face for 1 to 2 minutes to get that full clean. Once I get it all over, I go in with my cleansing brush. I normally get my neck, but I already did the coffee scrub in the shower. Rinse with cold water. Cold water. I heard that from Pharrell, and you know, he has amazing skin. Just gonna pat dry, never wipe. Next item I use is a alcohol-free witch hazel. Damp the cotton pad with the toner and go over my face with that, again in a circular motion. And this will take away any excess soap, dirt, makeup. Okay, now we're gonna prep for the facial. Love this Indian healing clay. You can mix it with apple cider vinegar or water, but I like to mix it with water. You get a glass container. I use this makeup brush as my applicator. If it's looking too thick, then you have too much clay, not enough water. I will also put this in the link below. I get this from Amazon. Now that I have applied this all over, it can stay on up to 10 minutes. No, this gets your face so tight I can't even talk. So I'm gonna rinse it off with warm water. Be right back. The main reason why I like this facial is because it doesn't feel my face feeling stripped or dry. It does leave a little bit of redness, but since I have a little redness, I like to go in with some soothing gel aloe vera. Aloe vera is really good for the skin and hydrating. Next thing we're going to use is a facial razor. I like to add some oil to it. Okay, once the skin is nice and oily, we can go in with the facial razor, not straight on the face, but at like a 45-degree angle. You hold your face back to get more of a straighter base. Now that I'm done with my face, I like to apply an oil-free moisturizer. This is the absolute last step because it has sunscreen in it. It's made by Neutrogena. We are done with the self-care routine and let's get into the final look. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I am all done, feeling fresh, feeling clean, cleaner than ever from top to bottom. It was really fun to do. I haven't done this in so long, and honestly, that's probably why I was looking the way I was looking before this video started. I just added some simple makeup, like some bronzer, some lip gloss, and some eyebrow stuff, and mascara to complete my overall look. Give me a thumbs up if you like my routine. If you want me to continue to do more videos, comment down below.